Ever wondered about a credit union that's flying under the radar but offers some incredible benefits? Well, today is your lucky day. But before we dive into the details, here's a question to ponder. What's the most valuable feature you look for in a credit union? Keep that thought and let's get started. And hey, we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. If you want to support this channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and drop a fire emoji in the comments. This actually helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more like-minded individuals like yourself. So today we're talking about KeyPoint Credit Union. Now, KeyPoint Credit Union might not be making headlines, but it's a hidden gem that deserves attention. Located primarily in California, it's been offering some fantastic services that many might not be aware of. Credit unions like KeyPoint operate on a member-focused model. Unlike traditional banks which aim to generate profits for shareholders, credit unions exist to serve their members. This often translates to lower fees, better interest rates, and more personalized banking experience. Here's something crucial to note. If you decide to move forward with a credit card application at KeyPoint, they will pull your credit from Experian Credit Bureau. But the good news is they offer a pre-qualification tool for loans and credit cards without a hard pull on your credit. And that offer stands for, guess how many days? 30 days. So you can gauge your eligibility without affecting your credit score. And for a visual treat for you guys, here's a screenshot of what a pre-qualified offer from KeyPoint will look like once you go through the pre-qualifying tool. I remember when I first started exploring credit unions, the sheer number of options was overwhelming, but it's gems like KeyPoint that makes this search worthwhile. Membership at KeyPoint is more than just an account. It's about joining a community that values its members. While they primarily serve specific California communities, they also cater to employees of major companies like Apple, Intel, and Cisco Systems. And the best part is, even if you don't fit into these categories, you can still join through the Financial Fitness Association. KeyPoint even covers the first year of membership. So this is open to everyone and is not geo-fenced, and it does not matter where you live at, and they will cover the first year of membership. So you heard it here first. Jump on it if you know what I mean, because it may not last long. Credit unions often have specific eligibility criteria. This is because they are community-based institutions. However, many credit unions like KeyPoint have found ways to broaden their membership base, ensuring more people can benefit from their services. KeyPoint is not just about credit cards. They offer a plethora of banking products, even though some may argue their interest rates aren't the most competitive. But here's a perk. New members can get $300 when setting up a direct deposit. Yes, $300 just by opening an account and setting a direct deposit with this credit union. A friend of mine actually recently joined KeyPoint after I told her about this credit union and how much they're offering to just do direct deposit. She was amazed at how seamless this entire process was in that $300 bonus. It's definitely going to come in handy, especially during this holiday season. Also, I have done my research on this credit union, and many have shared their experiences with this KeyPoint Credit Union. And one of the biggest highlights that they really like is the soft pull pre-approval tool. Some members have been approved for credit limits as such as $19,500 with an APR offer of a 0% balance for balance transfers for 16 months. I'm trying to give you guys some data points to let you know how good this credit union can actually be. However, it's essential to note that the APR can be on the higher side for some, okay? I just want to put that out there. Not going to give you guys false hope. I want to let you guys know all of the data points, but it all depends on your credit profile, and what you can handle. A soft pull or a soft inquiry does not affect your credit score. So this is a way for financial institutions to review your credit worthiness without leaving a mark on your credit report. This is different from a hard pull, which can temporarily lower your credit score when applying for new applications. Credit unions are more than just a financial institution. This is why I like to talk about credit unions more than a bank or a traditional bank, so to speak. They're a testament to the power of community. When members come together, incredible things can happen. So whether you choose KeyPoint or another credit union that I talk about on this channel, know that you're becoming a part of something bigger. Also, please note, interestingly, not many are discussing this credit union. I think I'm actually the first one to bring it to YouTube. So you're going to get the inside scoop right here. So make sure you subscribe because I got some more coming down this pipeline. And if you're considering joining, it is advisable to act soon. I've tried my hardest to dig deep to get you guys some data points so that you guys can actually know what you're getting yourself into when joining a credit union like this. I know you guys like high limits and easy approvals, so this may be one that you can catch. And if this is a catch for you guys, there's a possibility that given its rising popularity on this channel, this credit union might tighten up its services or eligibility criteria. This is not surprising to us anyways, because we've seen such shifts with several credit unions that we discussed on this channel in the past, where they tighten up their eligibility criteria. They made it more location based, where it's not open to everyone. So I advise you to get in when you can. This opportunity probably won't be knocking on doors for a long time, so seize the opportunity while it's still right. So there you have it, a deep dive into the KeyPoint Credit Union. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, guys, with the fire emojis. And remember, credit cousins, every interaction helps push this content out to more individuals, and I genuinely value your support. Now, circling back to our initial question, what's the most valuable feature you look for in a credit union? I want to actually know your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, stay informed and make wise financial decisions. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.